Hi! So, this is the fifth video about creating a chatbot from idea to launch on an example of a city quest bot. In the previous series, I've quickly described how I've got an idea of a chatbot city quest, my reasoning of why this project can be implemented in a chatbot format, how I was preparing contents, and what architecture was chosen for the bot. So we can finally start to build the flow of the bot and do some coding. First of all, we'll need a Facebook page our bot will be connected to. Let's go to Facebook, My Pages, create new page, choose community or public figure. Let's enter the name of our bot, CheckQuestBot, and choose, for example, software for a category. Let's upload a profile picture. It will be displayed as an icon of our bot in Messenger. We'll skip uploading a cover photo and we'll unpublish our page for now. Now let's go to Chatfuel. We'll create a new blank bot. And connect it to our new Facebook page. Let's rename our bot to CheckQuestBot. First, let's make sure that our bot is working. I'll update the response in default welcome message. We can test our bot using Chatfuel's button. If we go to Messenger, we will see messages from our bot. Okay, let me show how this will look like in the end. But we will go through the building of our bot from scratch. My bot is in Ukrainian, but in my videos we will be recreating it in English. So it has general block, live chat, some routers, blocks by the number of quest tasks, and the end block. A note concerning sharing this bot. Chatfuel allows sharing projects using one-time links, so one link for one collaborator. That's why I can't share this project for everyone at once. But in case you want to get access to this project, please send me a personal message on YouTube and I'll send you the link. Would be thankful if you'd subscribe to my channel for that. In this video, we'll start from building a block of the quest that corresponds to one task. This block will have basic structure. In the next videos, we will add additional functionality, create webhooks, and add Airtable for data storage, add persistent menu, intro and end blocks. In every question, a player will have to guess and find the place by the provided hint, come to that place, and find some number. For example, our first place will be Cherkasy Relay Tower. And our hint will be an object with height 196 meters. And the number to be guessed by the players will be 10. The number of times this object changes color along its length. So let's create a group called Q1. In this group, let's create a block called Q1 location question, Q1 underscore loc underscore Q. There we'll add a number of cards. Typing, so task number 1, typing, a hint, and some GIF cut from an old Soviet cartoon. We will create a separate block called Q1 underscore task with a prompt for a number. There we will add typing card and save user input card with an instruction. User's response will be validated as a number and saved into attribute called Q1 underscore result. To check what user has entered, we will add a block Q1 task check, and we will add a redirect from Q1 task block to Q1 task check block. And also we will add a redirect from Q1 loc Q block to the block called Q1 task. The block Q1 task check in turn needs two blocks to redirect to, one for a case with a correct answer and one for a wrong answer. So we'll create them and add corresponding redirects from Q1 task check. We will check if attribute Q1 result, user's answer, is equal to 10, which is a correct answer, and redirect to Q1 task OK, otherwise redirect to Q1 task wrong. Now let's fill in the Q1 task OK. Add typing, absolutely. After getting the correct answer from the user, we will provide some additional info about the object asked, which may be read later. We will call this block Q1 location loc info and redirect to Q1 location info from Q1 task OK. Now we will fill in the Q1 location info with prepared photo, links and information. we will add a card that says that now we know that our code begins with 10. We will fill the Q1 task wrong block now. At typing, this answer is wrong, please try once again. And we will add a redirect to Q1 task. That is why we separated the question about the number from the question about the place. Next, the block Q1 location info will redirect to the final block of this question, and we will call this block Q1 and stop. It will tell player a phrase "let's continue" and present a quick reply button leading to the question of the block Q2. So let's create a group Q2 and a blank block Q2 location question in this group. And now we can enter the name Q2 location question for the quick reply button in the block Q1 and stop. Also, add a redirect to Q1 and stop from the block Q1 location info. Now let's test what we have done so far. Chatfuel has a nice feature called block links, which allows to trigger specific blocks without need to pass all the previous steps of the flow. So let's create such link and open it in Facebook Messenger. And here is our flow. Let's try to enter a wrong number. Let's enter a wrong number for the second time. And let's try entering not a number. So, and finally let's enter the correct number 10. To sum up, in this video we created a basic question block. In the next video we will add the functionality which will allow a user to take hints and also open the answer with penalty points. And also we will limit the time for a question to a specific period, after which the bot will automatically send the answer.